welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. And today we are gonna do C++ function recursion. C++ recursion in functions. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah! Let me minimize the screen. 1 second. Okay, so where was I? Wait. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So yeah, I made a REPL. So yeah, we are gonna learn from that. So recursion is used a lot to make various kind of things like apps, games. Right? Like in recursion, it is used a lot. Like not only in C++, like in Python and lot, like like almost all the languages. Recursion is really important and it is used a lot. It is used to make like apps, it is used to make like games, it is used to make like website and so on. So using recursion, we can break complicated problems down into simple problems and which are easier to solve. So basically, like using recursion, like if there is a very complicated problem and you're not able to solve it, so recursion helps us to break it down into parts, so that now like each part we do one by one and then we get it, and it's more easier for us to solve the problem. So let's see an example of recursion. So um, int sum int k, if k is greater than 0, return k plus sum k minus 1, else return 0. Then int main, int result is equals to sum 10 and cout result. So let's now we have made a function. So now it's gonna go in the main function. It sees that we have made a variable result and we have like called the function in it, and we have given a this k parameters value, right? And then we are printing it. So as soon as we print this, our function starts running. So at the first time when the function runs, k's value is 10, right? Now if k is greater than 0, is it greater than 0? Yes, 10 is greater than 0. So it's going to return us k plus sum k minus 1. So what does it mean from this? It basically means 10 plus sum 9. So k sum k minus 1 basically means that in the sum function, whatever k's value is, we are gonna subtract 1. So it basically means we are gonna add. Okay, so one thing I have not added in this, like recursion is used to like make formulas also, and big formulas which we can solve using recursion. So yeah, so 10 plus sum 9. Okay, so now as it went in the if statement, it does not need to go in the else statement. Now the second time when the function runs, now k's value sorry, I forgot to tell you, I've told wrong, like k plus sum k minus 1. So why is that given sum? It has given sum because whatever the k's value was right now 10, we are going to subtract it by 9. Okay, so so from this we are doing two things. Okay, first of the thing is that we are making starting to make a formula like whatever we want to make. Second of all, we are changing k's value. K minus 1 is 9, so which is now our k's value is now 9. Okay, you get it? Now the second time, k's value is 9. So is 9 greater than 0? Yeah, it is the greater than 0. So it's gonna again go in the if statement, and k plus some k minus 1. So before it's gonna that formula is gonna say that 10 plus some 9, but now we are editing it more and we are doing k plus some k minus 1. So basically this what it means is that this will stay that 10 plus 9 some 9, it's gonna say this is gonna stay, but from this now now it's gonna be k plus some k minus 1. So 9 minus 1 8, so 9 plus 8, so it's gonna do 10 plus 9 plus 8, right? So it's gonna now k value is changed as because of this line sum. Basically when you're giving sum k minus 1, you like get it in the sum function, whatever k's value is, subtract it from 1 and change the k's value whatever the subtraction comes, right? So like this it's gonna go on and go on and go on and go on. Okay, now when it comes to 0, so now is 0 less than 0? No, it is not. It is equals to 0, right? So it's gonna go in the else statement and return 0. So from the return 0, now wait. When k value becomes 1, then it's again gonna do the same thing, right? And everything. Now one thing I would like to say you that when I was learning this concept of recursion, my brother asked me a question that like how come this formula is saying like 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, how is this staying, right? So this is how it's staying, and we are not we are not we are saving it, right? When we are saving it in result, so how come it not stay, right? It has to stay in result, so that's why this full formula is in staying in result. Okay, so when one k's value is 1 and it does this, then then k's value becomes 0, right? Now is k less than 0? I mean greater than 0? No, it is equals to 0. So it's gonna go in else statement and return 0. So when it returns 0 at this point of time, the sum function over here, it ends, right? As the else statement, it has run the else statement and there's now nothing more, right? So our function ends. So it does 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 12 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Why it's not getting sum? Because the sum 0, because the sum function has ended, right? So now this full formula, when it is done, that 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 and then plus 0, then it will print it. It's gonna show it. So just give it a hint. Do you know what's the answer of 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0? So right, this is so you can't keep on counting, right? So let's see what's the answer. I think it's 55. Yes, it is 55. So guys, you have understood what is the use of recursion. So did you understand this example? I know it's a bit difficult, but if you have not understood this example, go back, see it again, see it as many times you want this video, because this is seriously a very important topic, guys. So yes, and so I would like before I end this video, I would say I'm seriously appreciating this a lot. You guys are learning my videos, you are subscribing me, and you are learning with me. So keep this spirit and become a 10x coder just like me. So thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Damn! 3,